Richa Pupu Kurumjari September की तांग अमदगी चथरलिबा अनोबा लालोंग weaponized drone seasonarga bomb thadaba mogo surface to surface missile gum season aduna tawrakliba lalong mamangi chahi haurakpadasu megi home minister Amit Shah na laku matamda maikai tarani thoi tarahum dagi coordinated attack tawrakhiba aduga chap manabagi mong handak tawrakliba attack se masi aikoina line lokhum thokti hafta amani de loisan ba yaram ba Iran ma bu ngasi bhaw chatha lei ba se Manipur bu thugai ge identity politics ta exclusivist oi ba furuk ki oi ba khur ba mi yeng de yeng ga Manipur ge thugai ra ke hai ba adugum ba rajniti adugum ba politics to madu ga khusam na ra ga chatpa ama yawi hai ba se koina khang na bo wani lefan ge hai de lefal lam do ba Iran kapthar ei ba jaga si da kana karam ba forces sing han station tawraga lei haiba leina 60,000 lising puina changra ba lanmi leina lefal latra ba amasung hanjan tangkak kaya da tawraga la iba masigi lanje masigi aroi ba yamna maru oi ba tangkak ama madugi wamang yalak ba violence ni sigi thoi ba nungmei kapa si katang hoi leibam thokte kari mathang di move tawra kani haiba se mangjaw na khoina khalo gadaba ma changi handak tawra iba se kapthar iba se mase aina sum khanjabada tumina leramba government of India gi kariumba step ama loba yana na bagi silakpa madugi lalong ama oigadra haiba si aina khanjai maini khanjari ba maramdi state amagi lenga ama leibudu mapangan sondaraga lokthokraba matungda use and throw season raga langthokpa yabugum na thaina thamaga furup ani bu tap taina khatna halaga amuk madugi da break amata kaw na tap taina khalaga punjan ba yararoi haiba adugumba wakhalon ama ba tahalaga maduda yumfam oi ba separate administration akoi di device yam deep oi gre ana punba yaroi haiba madugi ploy tanana ba hana silakpa plot amada tawrakpa rajniti gi anoba khongthang ama changakpa yabagi achoba saro ama lei haba se miyam na masi koi alert oiba ma changi chahi ama helaba thatara tu horaba matam sida isagi leingak leina ngakchaba ngamaktraba Delhi na control tawraga laaba 60,000 lising umpuina leba 65,000 gi hara ngasi bhawa lepa leitana uchit thawaidana nomai kapsan nan tawraliba pose mase aikoina thengnariba se Manipur bu thugai ge haina tawriba politics da chumnagi furup amag laraba khudam ni halak tawrai se normalize oire normal oire haira ga chahi tha tara taruk chahi am hena chingaibal anje musigi lanchigi leiraktriba asiana thoktana ngasi bawda tawraiba masigi khongjang se mase government of India must take full responsibility aduga makhoi na thousand giba troop 60,000 singi full accountability se mase lakri bhawa khoi myam changna masigi pressure ma to changi ire cha punumak akiba adagi no to yaw da bida Manipur thugai gi haina folak liba politics to gi violence ni adugi hinsa ni haiba se sab jugna koi haimina bam changi aduga government of India se mana responsible logadabani mana chawgatpa puppet kaino thangatlaga akoi gi satrap haitare moina sinaba yaba mi khara Manipur da tawhallaga sanaba lila do miyam makeup thol abani hujikte aduna noi responsibility law government of India noi na tawse khudak tak crackdown troga Manipur thugai gi haiba politics gi mayokta ai koi communally oiba political project demand amatta piroi haina seng chumnagi rhetoric ta territorial integrity ngakene do nate clear cut oina haiga dabani communal politics se yumpham oiba demand amatta piba yaroi haiba wai chaiga dabni rhetoric ta territorial integrity ngakene si ngang na la ba maktani akoi khangi article si ta thugai ba yai base madu thugai ba su yaroi haiba se akoina sangjana na ba madu gi historical political moral legal responsibility la yai base hanjan akoi mukhoi da hairaga mayam changna akiba yaugabida haiba ma changani natragadi aikoibu asuk ina leiraba iramdam chahi lising hena leiraba iramdam sida Furup masin da divide and rule torok padugi policy season naraga kariuma political agenda ama serve tawna torok pato akoi loina khangi government of India must hold responsibility for the death and the destruction in the state of Manipur, because you have 60,000 soldiers stationed in Manipur for 16 months. You may have your puppet regimes in the state of Manipur, but it is your command. Everybody knows that it is the command of the government of India which is at the helm of affairs. Aduna masigi responsibilities. I appeal to the government of India, treat Manipur as part of India as it is, and show the respect that and the dignity that the people deserves in the state of Manipur, and immediately crack down and say that there is no politics based on communal agendas will be entertained by the government of India. Clear cut haibiraga mase makoi na thingjan mama changi masi akoi miam pulak ona haiminasi haibasi ai haizaraga miam da mitna singna lebiu haibase ai appeal tawjage.